Good morning, candidates. This is for banking awareness examination questions, more especially now for the Vikas Cooperative Bank, and this will be of use for other exams also. We'll start with the first question. Transactions of internet banking includes number one, withdrawal of cash anywhere in India. Number two, statement of account for a specific period. Number three, transfer of funds from one account to another. The answer is C, that is only 2 and 3. See, internet banking, you can't be withdrawing cash. So it can be used for statement of account and also transfer of funds. So the answer is C. What is meant by microblogging? 1. Blogging daily. 2. Blogs which are posted by companies, not individuals. 3. Blogs with limited individual posts, limited by character count typically. The answer is 1 and 3. That is blogging daily, blogs with limited individual posts. Which of the following is not an input device in a computer system? Which of the following is not an input device in a computer system? The answer is motherboard. Information technology, IT, is looked at as an integrated technology of a manual processing system, manual communication system, information processing technology, then information transmission technology. The answer is C, information processing technology. So I was reading from this one. Why it changed? Yeah, I was going through this only. Yeah, I was going through this. So the question is, information technology is looked at as an integral technology of information processing technology computers. A club is maintaining a current account which is operated by secretary and treasurer jointly. The treasurer dies and a check signed by him and the secretary is presented. The answer is check should be paid if it is otherwise in order. Check should be paid if it is otherwise in order. Which social network is considered most popular for business to business marketing? Facebook, Orkut, then Rise, LinkedIn. The answer is LinkedIn. The recipient of a digitally signed message can verify authenticity of the message by use of which of the following key? The answer is sender's public key. This is slightly tougher one. Yeah. Which of the following features do not match in case of goods and services as a product? The answer is goods and services are tangible. It can be intangible also. A customer has a balance in his savings bank account In which of the following cases bank's right of set off can be used for recovery of loan? The answer is customer is guarantor in a loan account of another person and that person has defaulted in repayment of the loan. Other cases it cannot be used. A bank guarantee issued by the bank, term loan has been sanctioned, cash credit sanctioned, because all of them are in order. Only in this case, the loan has become due, still it is not repaid. Your branch receives garnishee order in the name of your customer Mr. Trivedi, who has the following deposits account with your branch. Which of these can be attached under this garnishee order? Trivedi, executor of Ashok Kumar deceased, joint savings account, Trivedi trustee. The answer is none of these. Say when a garnishee order is received in the name of Trivedi, only those accounts which are in the name of that person only, Trivedi only can be attached. A joint accounts or an account where is executor, these accounts cannot be attached. A savings account is treated as a dormant if there is no operation in the account for the last 2 years. This is a good question. Last 2 years. That is dormant when it is say more than 2 years. Then it is considered as say um, 2 years, and after 10 years again it is transferred to another account. What is that called? I'm not remembering it. One is um, inoperative account, the other is mm, yeah, let me come to it. Let me tell you later. Dormant account, the other one is we can just search bank account not operated for 10 years. Actually, what are dormant accounts? In my view, the answer for that question should have been the previous question should have been I mean, it is a savings account treated as an inoperative account, not dormant. Inoperative account when it is 2 years. It is known as dormant account when it is 10 years. The debit card offers online recover the amount of the card usage. What relationship is created when a bank collects a check in clearing? Collecting banker and holder. Fund-based credit facilities include A1 term loan for acquisition of fixed assets, cash credit facility, then bills purchase facility. That is only fund-based credit facilities include all the three. Only non-fund based or say letter of credit issued, guarantee issued and all that. Merchant bankers they are known as underwriters. The forfeiter is an intermediary between importer and exporter. Monetary Policy Committee of India comprises of 6 members, 3 from the RBI and 3 nominated by the government. Banking means acceptance of dash for the purpose of lending and dash under section dash of Banking Regulation Act. The answer is A. Banking means acceptance of deposits for the purpose of lending and investments under section 5B of Banking Regulation Act. National Payment Corporation of India, NCPI, is promoted by RBI? Which of the following is not the common objective pursued by firms for short term? It is a profit optimization. If a bond is issued with the provision that the investor has the option to replace the bond with equity at a fixed price, it is called convertible bond. It is called convertible bond. When a company issues shares to select group of investors, which is neither a public issue nor a right issue, it is called private placement. Which of the following is not a professional market research agency? The answer is DMA. All others are market research agencies like ORG, MARG, IMRB. What is DMA? I don't know. DMA. DMA, it is given as direct monetary access. Direct access media controller in computer architecture. That is not a agency for marketing. Okay. Next question we will take up. Promotion in marketing means selling the products through various means. Then bank marketing means selling bank's products and services. Selling bank's products and services. One of the following is a target for the marketing of internet banking. All the computer educated customers, not all the customers, etc. A good seller should have the following qualities: 1. Devotion to work. 2. Submissive. 3. Sympathy. The answer is all the three. Effective marketing helps in dash developing new products, creating competitive environment, and building demand for product. The answer is only 1, 2, and 3 all. Home loans are granted to normally individuals. ESOP stands for Employee Stock Option Plan. Employee Stock Option Plan. What is expand ICDT model? Information, communication, transaction, and distribution. The sole aim of marketing is to increase sales. Bank assurance can be sold to all banks, all insurance companies, insurance agents, all existing and prospective bank customers. Bank assurance means selling insurance policies by the bank. Bank gets commission on account of that. It is only answer is D. A restaurant provides food as well as service along with infrastructure for use. This type of product can be classified as, answer is given as hybrid. Conversion means, the answer is converting a prospective client into a buyer. This is in terms of marketing, but the term conversion will mean in terms of other banking terms, using others' property to the detriment of the true owner. Innovation in marketing is same as creativity. Personal loans can be canvassed among salaried persons. So we will stop with this. Let this be the first one. If some of you are interested, you please post in your comment. so that I will be reading out some more questions also. Thank you.